The 10th Amendment says the powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states, respectively, or to the people. So basically, the 10th Amendment reserves to the states those powers that are neither delegated to the federal government nor denied by the states in the Constitution. And so the founding fathers' intention was they really wanted to give the majority of the power to the states, but they knew that we needed to have a limited, small, defined federal government with some issues like military and things that interstate commerce and things like that. We had to come together on that. But now in our situation is this flipped. The federal government is huge and the state government's power has been dwindling now for a while. Why did the founding fathers want the state governments to have remain mostly with the majority of the power? Now, we know the federal government, we talked about this a couple months ago, the enumerated powers of the federal government. There's probably only like 20 listed, and that's it.
Yeah.
That's all they're supposed to do.
Yeah.
So the states' rights, they believe the states' rights were linked to the stability of the United States. And even Jefferson said a republic is evidently restrained to a very narrow limits of space and population. He said about the size of a New England township. That's how big the federal government should be. Thought that was interesting, right?
Yeah.
The founding fathers wanted state sovereignty because remember, they all started out as their own states, right?
Yeah.
And so, and then George Mason said only the states could check the arbitrary abuse of power.